my Toro lawnmower. It's not starting. I'm going to show you what I think it is. 95% of the times, this is all that needs to be done to get a mower to start running again. Let's get on it. Take off the air filter housing that's attached to the carburetor. Alright, here's the carburetor. Alright, underneath this, there's a screw that holds this bowl in place. I'm going to try and show you the screw. That's the screw right there. Or bolts, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to take that off and take this off. It's probably going to leak some gas. If it continues to leak on you, clamp your hose first. Use a pair of vice grips, just clamp the hose, the gas hose going from the tank to the carburetor so you block off the fuel. And that way it stops leaking on you. And there she is. What keeps your carburetor from starting, believe it or not, there's a real tiny hole right here, and then there's a hole that goes through the top of this. So there's two holes on either side. What's happened is, I know you probably can't see this because it's real small. It's all gunked up inside there. So I'm going to take my welding tip cleaners and I am going to clean this thing up. I like this welding tip cleaner kit because it's got different sizes. You can use a small wire or something. You need something that fits inside these holes. And this is what prevents your engine from getting the fuel that it needs to start. Believe it or not, that's all it really is. Just that. Take the bowl off and check it. Yeah, a lot of moisture in there. Gotta wipe that up. Take yourself some carburetor cleaner, brake clean. I happen to have mass airflow sensor. I don't have anything else. And spray that in there real good. See how it's coming out the sides? It's unclogged. Okay. Just gonna wipe this all up. Now spray this. Right up. Wipe this area right here where the bolt goes into with the gasket. Now we're just going to put this bad boy back in place. Don't forget the gasket on the little bolt thing here. Just want to snug it. You don't want to over tighten this. Let's give it a shot. See if she runs. Yeah! Now we put it all back together. If your mower won't start, check that little bolt. It could be clogged. And that's 95% of the issue on mowers. Or push mowers anyways. It really is. It's that simple. Anyway, she's ready to go. And if you all wondering why the mower didn't start for me and why it got clogged, is I got a great neighbor, Fred, and he's awesome. Last year he was cutting my lawn for me and stuff because I was working late and traveling and stuff like that. So I wasn't around much, so he like jumped in and helped me maintain my lawn. One of the best neighbors I've ever had. So I didn't use this mower at all except once last year. So this mower's been sitting almost what, 2 seasons now? No, yeah, this is the 2nd season. So over a year this mower's been sitting. So I expect that to clog up like that or gel up. It was actually gelled up. So all right, everybody, leave some comments, leave questions, whatever you like. What else? If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and thank you all. Everybody have an awesome day.